Hello, welcome to Smile with Medicine. Today's topic is cancers. There is hardly a disease that arouses so many questions as cancers, and this is despite all the research that goes into it from all over the world, year in and year out. Questions like, what caused it? Can it be cured? How could I have it at this age? What do I do now? And so forth are often heard with cancers. Now, perhaps if we looked more closely at the origin, we could demystify cancer. Very simply put, cancers arise from cells that escape the body's natural control mechanisms and then multiply indiscriminately, transform to become abnormal, spread all over the body, destroy vital organs and tissues, and then eventually kill the patient. The body controls the rate of cell multiplication and also destroys abnormal body cells. So for cancers to occur, these natural mechanisms must be overhauled. Researchers have reported the existence of a very important suppressor of cell multiplication called p53, which is also referred to as the guardian of the genes. And p53 is unfortunately inactivated in so many cancers. So we could therefore surmise that factors that strengthen or stimulate this guardian of the gene could be helpful in preventing or treating cancers. Several studies have identified factors that affect p53 as diet, hormones and hormonal drugs, music, exercise, mood, and even psychological stress. For instance, researchers report that excessive psychological stress releases a hormone called cortisol, which in turn suppresses p53 and is thus implicated in liver cancers. Several other hormones are also associated with different kinds of cancers, including cancers of the breast, thyroid gland, bone, brain, ovaries, testes, prostate glands, lungs, etc. Our diet is also extremely important with cancers. Foods like red meat, sweets and candy, fried foods, refined foods, and so on, also referred to as the Western pattern diet, have been reported to suppress the p53 pathway and even cause mutations of p53 itself. Music, on the other hand, may have beneficial effects depending on the type of music, as studies report that music affects the growth and multiplication of human cells. Indeed, a study carried out on breast cancer cells reported that music can change the size and consistency of the cancer cells and also affected the binding of hormones to the breast cancer cells. And let us not forget our moods, because depression was shown to not only worsen cancers, but may also cause cancers according to a recent study. Good old exercise and sunlight are not left out, as studies report that exercise stimulates p53, while p53 itself increases the ability to do more exercise, which means that a mutual relationship exists between exercise and p53. Thus, in essence, we can see that living a happy and peaceful life and making the right choices about food, exercise, our hormones and hormonal drugs, as well as avoiding unnecessary stressors, can help us reduce the risk of cancer and stay healthy. In summary, the secret to a healthy life is a happy and balanced life. Thank you for joining us on Smile with Medicine. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our videos.